Welcome back to Guide Glams. Today, let me show you how you can use Canva AI Presentation Marker. First, let's open your browser in your PC and go to canva.com, log into your account, and in the left side, click on Magic Studio. After that, scroll down and find Magic Presentation and click on it. Go to the search bar and enter your prompt. Canva will generate a few options for you. You can use your uploaded media or let Canva suggest media. Pick a template you like and see all the slides. You can customize fonts, images, and backgrounds as usual. Click Layouts to explore more options for each slide. There are many more layouts available now. The same goes for styles with more color palettes. You get many designs you want, and if you're satisfied, just save it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.